I've got some personal stuff I can be working on if we were hanging out at Lux for a while.
Good.
So I can clock out and don't have to rush back. Yeah.
Cool. Youngkin, do you want me to run this in my jacket?
This guy says Google a lot.
I want to drown in.
Hey, hey. My name's William Douglas, and I am the owner of William Douglas Co. This is my shop.
That's not how we build our furniture. We use beautiful tools that were made to last forever, and we take very good care of them, and we use those tools to create beautiful furniture that people take care of, and all of it just gets passed down. We just want to bring awareness and attention to craftsmanship, lasting craftsmanship.
World get darker, but it's a pretty looking hallway. Even though everything is sideways, everything is looking sideways. It's all tipsy-turvy. Top of tyrants, they're placing new tornadoes. Spinning angels out their way, spinning out their hollow halos. No more NATO, just the folly of a planet overseas. Like burning trees, just to watch leaves burn from marvels made of greed. I feel not, I just watch from the comfort of a screen. I see truth, hard thing when lies is all they feed. And a feed for the folly, dark causes spend light for profit tease to the world all sideways and the carpet on my cheek. My face kiss the carpet.
What do you got there?
A little splinter.
Just a little guy?
Yeah, I mean, it's a big little one. You know, I don't know. There's a whole spectrum of splinters, but that one's an annoying spot. So it's nicking your finger on something like our joiner. A glove would pull your whole hand in, and then you got some real issues.
Yeah, so what we do here is we like to let the splinters just collect until you have just a collage of them in your hand, and then you just spend like 20 minutes pulling them all out. It's just more efficient that way.
All about efficiency, even with splinters, man.
Splinter party.
Just need some tweezers, which I don't have. But he's here. I feel like
Are you rolling? Because I'm gonna get this thing quick.
Yeah. I collect all of them in an Altoid tin.
Can you hold that up again?
And I have a little shrine, a collection box. No, I don't. But
Of your war wounds?
yeah, no, that's that ain't nothing. Cool.
That's some good footage.
Yeah, you're gonna live to woodwork another day.
I know. I will. I will. On my shirt again. Yeah. My shirt. Yeah, it was all getting warm. Yeah. Sweaty.
Did you have a good time?
I had a great time, man. Yeah.
Good, man.
I have to go do another one of those Craigslist things.
Oh man.
Yeah.
God have mercy on your soul.
Yeah.
No, it's the same guy.
Oh man.
Yeah, so it's good.
So he liked you then.
He did. He's trying to get me to do other stuff.
Oh no.
What kind of a... Hold on, I'm not rolling yet.
You don't have much left. Well, the details. True, that's true. Yeah. You should, think about how you want to have that. Do a little on the rear liquid.
Liquid courage?
No.
Where you go meet this guy and you submit yourself to him?
Oh, we're talking.
Submit yourself to.
No. We're talking about what kind of board.
Alright, so tape measure.
Yes.
And a consistent thickness of 1 5/8, and then we're gonna sticker them in the shop.
Nice. Yeah, so I just learned something there too. You know what I mean? It's great. Yeah.
This is great that you're learning as well, because then, like, if you personally have questions, then that means the audience probably has questions too, and I didn't touch on something, so that's great.
Whoa, that floodlight came on. That's actually really nice.
I'm gonna get out of here.
Austin made a lot of things to look at over there. I don't know if I want to say it on camera.
A lot of vaginas, man.
A lot of vaginas.
A lot of vaginas.
He's been just carving out vaginas this whole time.
Yeah.
You just gonna show up, make a bunch of vaginas, and leave?
Yeah, who are you, Georgia O'Keefe?
Alright, see you guys.
Oh,
See
yeah.
you tomorrow.
Later, dude.
Yo, can you come in tomorrow?
I don't think so. I have a full day tomorrow, so
Oh, okay.
yeah.
Alright, we'll see you sometime soon.
Yeah, gotta ride that bike still, so.
Maybe. I have to know your experience.
Oh, okay, for sure. You can put training wheels on it, it's fine.
Alright, see you guys.
See you, man.
Yeah, I'm actually. I might have to call you again tomorrow or something. Yeah, she might want us.
Can I cut this?
Cut it here.
He's goofy, man.
All right, Mom. Talk to you. Bye. I want to make sure I got. I don't know. This is probably when
Yeah, that's looking better.
When
already,
somebody
just by
else-
pulling that a little tighter.
somebody else was wearing it last, and then I put it back together and wore it for a little while. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Yeah. I still want to have a little bit of room in case I get fat, you know?
You're not gonna get fat. I'm gonna go here.
Alright, man.
You want a little thing?
Yeah, dude, give me the things. Oh.
It looks cool. Gives it character. Go here.
Yeah, yeah.
Damn it.
Will's drunk again. Drunk on the job.
And then I replaced that there knob.
Where did you find the knob?
The knob was on the gang box.
Yeah. We gotta do this, man.
Better not want
What's that? A full respirator for this?
I need my respirator. My surgical mask.
Austin's gonna freeze his ass off on that bike right now. Ready?
Yep.
Christ. Need a screwdriver or something.
It'll go. It'll come there.
You got it?
Yep.
You want this right here?
Alright. Order?
Yeah,
She gone.
quit, man.
Yeah, I remember hearing she put in her 2 weeks, but
She's long gone like Moses.
Oh, screw.
Yeah. This is the fun part, right? It never goes back on, right?
yep. Use that. Alright, I got the clip on my side.
Okay.
Just a second.
I'll just hold this tight.
Yep.
And then we'll flip this one too.
Yeah.
That's a big guy.
Let's keep the big one down there.
That's what I was kind of
Cool.
thinking as well. Love it so much. All gnarly, and now we got this stuff. Beautiful.
You almost want to keep the splinters, and then when the table's done, you're like, hey, look, that's a piece of that table. When
Yeah. There. Oh, it's like it spits it out. Yeah. I'm like, this is even a cool area for. Oh, that bench does? Oh, it's all behind there. Yeah. Like, this is amazing. This is one of my favorite houses that I've seen. Like, tastefully designed. This kind of a budget could have gotten really valuable. $35 an hour? Holy shit. What is this guy doing?